If you've been wondering how to get the best night's sleep, I'm going to go over 2 steps that I find to be super important on getting an amazing, fulfilling night's sleep. My name is Dr. Gregg with the Line Wellness Center, and I've been helping people to remove the blockages in their life that have been preventing them from leading amazing, fantastic lives. So sleep is essential. We know that if we don't get enough sleep, our body doesn't heal, it doesn't rehabilitate, it doesn't correct itself. We become grumpy, we become agitated, we're not great people to be around. However, getting a good night's sleep can be real hard. So I've done a few videos on some things related to sleep, like particularly about what you should look for in your mattress. You can check that out right up here. On this one, I want to talk with you about 2 things that are not related to your bed or your patterns in getting ready for sleep. And I did a video for that on what to do before bed. You can check that out over here. But this has to do with how you can set your day up well to get a great night's sleep. And this has to do with the idea that in order for you to create the right balances and rhythms within your body, you need to wind up having adequate amounts of oxygen and air, fresh air, as well as great exercise or movement. So how do we wind up getting this? We need to wind up spending at least 20 minutes outside each day. Even if it's not sunny out, the outside fresh air winds up being amazing for our lungs. It also allows for us to get some vitamin D and some exposure to the world. Now with that, we also should wind up doing some movement. And I find that at a minimum, you've got to take at least a 20-minute walk to wind up experiencing some of those benefits. Now, for many people, a 20-minute walk is very little compared to what they do all day in terms of their fitness and activity. But for many of us here in America, at least, a lot of the walking we do is inside of a building. It's really key to get it outside just so that we can get the exposure to the environment. So the step really winds up being is that you need to make sure that you're getting some amazing fresh air every day. I like to do it in the morning. That way I can start my day off, have a lot of fresh air, go for a walk with my dog, have a bit of my coffee outside. And then we also want to go for a walk. And I accomplish that with my dog and she loves me for it. If you don't have a dog though, you can go for a walk on your own. Just make sure that the neighborhood is safe. If you need help, you can pair up with a friend and make it a little bit easier for you to do. But getting in that movement as little as just walking throughout the day, as well as that air from outside, massively important in helping to regulate your cycle so that you can get a great night of sleep. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you know someone who needs help with their sleep, can you go ahead and forward this to them so that they can get the info that they need? Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.